Hi, boys and girls. Please put your name at the top of your paper. So we are going to do more missing numbers today. And like I said earlier, each day there's going to be more missing numbers that you're going to have to figure out what goes in the box. So let's just start by counting. And when we get to a box that has an empty box, we'll write the number that goes in there. So let's start by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Now let's go over on the back, and we're going to do more work with our number lines. So I'm going to do one side with you, and then yesterday you did 3 problems by yourself, and today I want you to try doing 5 problems by yourself. Okay, so the procedure is still the same. I have 7 plus 2, and so I'll circle 7, that's the bigger number, and I'll hop 2 spots, and when I'm done, I land on 9. So the answer is 9. Okay? The next one is 4 plus 2. So I want to circle 4 and hop 2 spots. So here's 4, hop 2, 1, 2, and I land on 6. Good. 8 plus 1, 8 is the bigger number. So I put my pencil here, and I hop 1 spot, and that means I land on 9. Now the next one I don't need my number line for because I know that anything plus 0 just stays the same. So the answer is 9. And for the last one that we're going to do together, we have 2 and 8. So which is the bigger number? 8. Good. And then we're going to hop 2 spots. So here's 8, and we hop 2. 1, 2. So I stopped on 10. Very good. Now, you have another side all by yourself. So just like I said yesterday, I want you to push pause and try solving these answers by yourself and then checking your answers with mine. If you just listen to the video and write the answers down, then you're not getting good practice and you won't be able to do it on your own. So make sure that you're pausing the video, trying the answers, and then if you get them a mistake, you fix it and you learn from the mistakes. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, good job. So you gave those a try all on your own. What did you get for 3 plus 3? Did you get 6? Nice job. And 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 6 plus 2 is 8. All right, so think about it and make sure that you checked yours with mine to make sure that you got the answers right and turn it into your teacher.